Hello, you're welcome to my page or channel. This is Mike Teaches, as well as Mike the Village Reporter. If today is your first time here, I beg, kindly click on the follow or the subscribe button for more tutorials because this is going to benefit everybody and it is all about monetary issues. I also urge you to keep sharing our content and that will motivate us to do more. Today's topic is how to create your international TikTok account with ease, be it you are in Africa or wherever you do. On our first tutorial, I told you to get your VPN. The second day, I told you to get an active working phone and then get your Gmail addresses or new Gmail addresses which have not been used, and then make sure you have your correct date of birth. So this is how it goes. Now, I know we already have our VPN and this is it. You tap on the VPN to open. Now we are opening the VPN now. Then it has a lot of ads, so you just click on the top to continue to the app. Now we have this. Automatically, my own has appeared as London. You see London on top here. This is where you will search the countries you want. Select your country, you click on the logo on top or the location, click on that. It will open. Now, in this case, we are only using London, and that is why. So we just leave it to London. We click on London. Because it has ads, we have to wait a bit. Now, it has connected. After clicking on connect, it has connected. Now, let's skip that place. Go back to your home page. And then let's come here. Now, we are selecting TikTok. This is TikTok. You see, when you delete your old TikTok account and download a new one, when you open it, it will look like this. Then you click on login. You click on that. These are the people I have created them accounts for them. But you don't click on it, and probably your own too may show from there because your phone already has your logins or your details. It might really open up like this. But don't click on any. Come downward. You will see sign up. Then you click on sign up. Then it will open like this. From sign up, what you do is you come to this page. You see sign up for TikTok. Then you see your mobile phone number trying to tell you to put in your mobile phone digit. But don't do that. That is not where we are looking at. Now, you will see continue with email, continue with Facebook, and continue with Google. Don't click on any of them until you come to the downward section. We have these writings. By continuing with an account located in Ghana, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. Now here we go. You see the Ghana there. Click on the Ghana. So now we click on the Ghana. It is clickable. Now we find Ghana. You see that it has opened. What are we going to search? We are going to search for UK or United Kingdom. Now you can just start by looking for United Kingdom and it will be here. Now you click on that. So you come downward there where you read the terms. You will see that it has been changed from Ghana to United Kingdom. I hope you are following. So now you come here and select continue with Google, the downward part. With this, you have to make sure that your Gmail has already been logged in with your new Gmail. You understand? It has already been logged in with your new Gmail. Because when we click here, it will take us to our Gmail or it will take us to the panel. This is where it will take us to. It will take us to our email or our Gmail or email list. Now we have this. These are accounts of people I have created for, and I'll probably remove them from here. Now this is what we are doing. You click on the email you are going to use to create your TikTok account. Now this is it. You click on that. Now it's loaded. You select your correct date of birth. You click on continue to go. Okay, then you see this.
You see this name because it is what you use as your Gmail or your email username. So it will just be there. If you like, you can leave it, or if you don't like, you can just change it. You can just change it. You can even change it later. So you click on continue. We are continuing.
On see people, then see people, I see a free. We gotta slip on bed.
So the account has been created. Once your account has been created like this, so in most of the cases, this is what you see: Creator Marketplace, Creator Rewards Program, and that.
I hope you have enjoyed every bit of it. So you can go ahead to create your own international TikTok account. But mind you, when you are being asked to put in your number, please don't insert your local number. We have a way for it. As we keep teaching, I'll give you more updates on how to create it. We will be creating our international virtual number. And mind you, you can use that number to make calls. You can use it to create your WhatsApp and to do anything. Just stay in touch. Congratulations to you. So keep winning. Listen to me very carefully from here. This point is very important, so listen to me very carefully. Once this account has been created, log out. Go and deactivate your VPN, because the only place we needed is during our creation. Now we are done with it. It is because we are changing the IP address. And then log out. Give it a maximum or minimum 3 days. Then go and log in back. Make sure you don't follow too much. So congratulations. If this is your first time, please share and subscribe or follow. I'm out.